Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to London because I've got my master's graduation. It's currently 5:28. I woke up at 4 because our bus is at 8:30 and it's actually Monday, so Monday is gets quite busy with traffic, so we want to make sure we go out on time and get the bus on time. I prepared my luggage yesterday and I'll show you in a couple of minutes what it looks like. I'm just I'll unpack when I get to London, give you a hotel tour and also show you what I've got in my luggage, and you'll probably see my graduation dress tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll give you like a sneak peek after when I get to London. So yeah, just thought I'd take you with me to London and throughout my graduation ceremony because I think it's gonna be interesting. My luggage, I've got this bag. I'll show you the luggage after. I just need to pack a few more things. And yes, yeah, so got the luggage. We just booked the Uber, so we're gonna go now. It's so dark and it's 7. Actually, what time is it? It's 7:30 now? Yes. Bye. Hi guys, so we're now in the bus. It hasn't moved yet, but we'll go in like 15 minutes. So yes, I'll keep you updated. Yeah. So hi guys, so we are now at the Attribution. Is it Attribution? Kind of. Okay. Stop. I can't recall where we are, but we're right. The PG for now.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So we're in London. We're now in London. We're waiting for the bus. I look a bit of a mess, so shall we continue to the hotel? Yes.
You'll always be my night sky.
Yeah, so we're arrived at the hotel. Definitely need to freshen up a little bit, but we're just waiting to know when the second room is ready, and our check-in is at 8 anyway, so we're just waiting. Hey guys, so this is a quick tour, but I'll show you properly after. Just want to show you now that there's like, just in case, sofa bed, the actual bed. We've got we've got the mirror, which is not focusing, and you can also like, I've got these settings. You've got like mood, for example, and it gives you this beautiful light on the mirror, which is so cool. You've got the telly, a table, and all this stuff. We've got the bathroom, we've got the toilet there, and the shower. Why is this not focusing? Okay, gosh. Mirror, and this mirror that is so close. It's not showing, but it was down there. It's looking very beautiful, some tissues. Yeah, so we've got this Plaza. Please do not disturb. Here you got like kettles and coffee, all that stuff. And here you got the place for the jacket. You also get hair dryer, a safe. Okay. She's like, I love it. Hi guys, so now we're going out to get something to eat. It's currently 6:38, so I'll show you what we got after. So we got Tim Burton, we ate all that. Why does my head look like that? And yeah, this is very briefly my luggage. I'm going to take a shower now. Just got nails, the bag that I need, tights. It's just like clothes, but I'll show you better tomorrow when I take things out. And I'm going to take a shower. Bye bye. Morning guys, so this is the 25th. It's the day of the graduation. I'll just close these and open these. Actually, I can just pull this thing out. And this is graduation day. Good morning. Welcome to London. Good morning guys. So today is the 25th. I think I've already said that probably. But I just wanted to show you a bit of things that I got for my... Oh, there's a plane. I've been seeing so many planes close up. I mean, can't believe so well. So back to business. So I just wanted to take the opportunity. I just took a shower. I mean, brushed my teeth, took a shower, and I'm about to watch some telly while my sisters get ready. Oh, you can hear the... Oh, actually, I mean, so... So I'll take the opportunity to show you what I have in my luggage. My hair is not done, but I'll do it after for my makeup probably. So this is the pink luggage, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you. Bless it. I have to like. After I show you everything, I need to sort these nails out, but I'll do them after the makeup. About my day, so just keep sneezing. I've tried to do this clip like 1,000 times. I keep sneezing. So I showed you the nails. I feel like sneezing. Okay, let me show you the bag that I have in mind. This bag is so beautiful, so beautiful. Let me show you actually this that's first option, but I don't think I'll go for this because I saw this that's so beautiful and hopefully will match well with the dresses should do. This is how it looks. How beautiful is this? So beautiful, so beautiful. And then you open it like this. You can even hold it like this. My phone fits in here, and it's just such a beautiful color. Yeah. So this is like my main option. Let me put it back for now. Dress. I'll show you the dress after, like when I put it on. Actually, should I show you a sneak peek? Let me show you a sneak peek. So I have to show it from the luggage. So this is a sneak peek of the dress. If you want to see how it is and what it looks like, keep watching. That's all I can show. I don't take it out yet because I'm not wearing it yet. I have breakfast first and makeup and all that stuff. So yeah, that's the drill. Shoes, I've got 2 options. I'll show that after as well. And yeah, and that's all. I'm gonna watch some TV, probably Netflix or YouTube, and have breakfast and then start getting ready. The weather's actually nice, so that's good. It shouldn't rain today, it should rain very late. And after the graduation, we're thinking of going to Nando's, because there's a Nando's here that's quite close. So we might go there. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'm just gonna sort out my nails, but I'm not gonna do them now. I'll do them after. And that's it. yeah, speak to you after. I feel like yesterday I forgot to show you the fridge. We actually found out there's a fridge. We didn't put much in. I just put my water yesterday, and there's also like this storage. Yeah, the room is looking a bit of a mess now. My sofa bed, and yeah, I'm just gonna watch some telly, and we'll speak later. Bye bye. Hi guys, so I got the car and everything. So I'm not working, but I'm about to go late, so I'm about to go in. So, see ya. Hi guys, so the graduation is finished. It was so beautiful, and I'll show some clips before this clip. And then we went to Nantes. We couldn't eat there because the restaurant was quite full, but we did get takeaway, and we got like wings and chips, rice, and corn, and then Coke, and it was literally so good. I think this was my first time having Nando's, and it's delicious. The wings, the corn, the chips, like everything was so good. So I will definitely get it more often, and this is so good. I've got the mild wings. But yeah, I'm just packing. The hotel room is a bit of a mess. The bathroom is better now, but they actually came in to clean when we were there. So I didn't know that's what they did, but like they changed all the towels and made the beds. I think cleaned the floor as well. That's such a good hotel. This, I mean, it's 4 stars, so I see why. So yeah. Here I was just dancing Je te laisse de Mort by Patrick Watson, and I also thought I'd show you how shiny the dress was because I don't think it was showing properly. Hi guys, so as I said before, we had lunch and now it's time to pack everything up. So I'll pack everything up, take a shower, and probably watch some Netflix on the telly, and yeah, that'll be basically it. Why is the lighting so horrible? I don't know, but that's what's happening. So I'll keep you updated. Lights off. Good morning guys, today is the 26th and today's the day we go back there, and yes, this was such a nice journey, should I say, a nice trip. We cleaned the room, we put all everything in the luggages, so we just like chilling until 12, which is our checkout time. Now it's 10:41. So yes, we're just gonna watch something on Netflix and wait till maybe 11:30 and then call the Uber to go back to the station. And then from there we'll have to wait a little bit, maybe have something for dinner, and then at 3 we have our bus to go back to Manchester. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Bye. This is actually where the vlog ended. After this, we watched some television and then we called a taxi to go to the station, and then we had McDonald's, and then we just caught the coach back home. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this vlog. If you want more content like this, more vlogs, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.